Welcome to ClickAlgo Zen. This is your AI assistant for building cTrader trading tools. You can create automated strategies, custom indicators, trading panels, dashboards, and plugins, all without writing code. Let's get started. Okay, in today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate a new feature we've just implemented into Xen AI, and that's snapshots. Now, snapshots will allow you to store each time that Xen produces code. It will actually store the code into the system for you to access it any other time. Best thing for me to do is to actually go through and give you a demonstration of what snapshots are and what projects are, so you know how to use these in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and build an automated trading robot. I'm just going to say build a simple RSA cBot, okay, relative strength index cBot. I'm going to go ahead now and build the cBot. And what happens is each time you ask Zen to build something, to add a feature, or to make any changes, it creates a snapshot. The snapshots are stored here. It's got the current version here, so we can't restore that. So what I'm going to do now is ask Zen to add a trading stop loss. So I'm going to say add a trailing stop loss. And that'll go ahead now and add a trading stop loss. So because now we've got two versions, at some point as you're making changes to your algorithm or indicator, whatever you're creating, Zen might come back with something that's not correct, and you might want to roll back a few steps backwards to actually, start using that code again. So the AI model sometimes might give you something you don't really want, and you might have only noticed the change later on. Snapshots are designed for this, so you can click on the batch snapshot, and I can click on restore here, and it will actually roll back to the previous version that we started with without the trailing stop loss. So the whole idea behind this is that you can actually do many changes, and all of a sudden you start realizing that, hold on a minute, something's changed. I don't want it like this. I want to go back to a previous version. So this will allow you to go to your snapshots and actually list them down here. It stores 20 snapshots, and it's only valid for the current session. So if you were to create a new task, refresh your browser or start again, all your snapshots will go missing. Also, you can scroll up the page and just copy the code that was shown up here previously, and you can actually start using that. Projects, on the other hand, projects are persistent. So you can save a project, you can save the code, and this stays in there if you close the browser down, turn your computer off, come back another day. You've got persistent snapshots here that you can roll back and start using individual projects. So projects are for projects that you're working on. So if you're building indicators, algorithms, or whatever, you can roll back and start. Sorry, not roll back. You can load them back in and start adding new features or making changes. Snapshots are just pretty much while you're working individually on a on a indicator or cBot, and you want to go back to a previous snapshot to make changes, you can just load those in. I hope that makes sense. Okay, that's it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.